Hello everybody to my first ever video on this new channel. In this video I'm gonna be explaining you guys how you guys can go ahead and get the police uniform in Rensselaer County and how you can get a free emergency vehicle without purchasing the game pass. So let's get straight into the video, okay? I'm not gonna waste any time. So we're here at the spawn right now. So let's start with our first step. So if you want to buy a free car, you can go into like this little dealership area, and then you can click this emergency button. Okay, so you have two choices for the cop car. So number one is the Ford Victoria, okay, and the next one is the Explorer. Okay, Ford Explorer. You know, everyone knows this car. So in my personal opinion, you should get this one. Okay, this one is more professional. And for EMS and fire department, you have three vehicles you can get. So these two ambulances and one Explorer. Okay, so you guys can get these for free without purchasing the actual game pass, which allows you to drive all of these. Premium police one allows you to drive only the state troopers, and dog one allows you to drive all of these. Okay, so let's move on to our next step. So okay, so I have this car already in my own entry. So now I'm gonna be going over towards how you guys can get the police uniform in Rensselaer County. Okay, it's totally free. You don't need to pay anything to get it. It's in the game, by the way, so let's go. So you just want to follow where I go. You guys can also join the roleplay sessions that I hold by using my Discord server. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Okay, so we can just turn from over here. There you go. Okay, so you guys can get into this place by joining, you know, this team or the New York one. Yeah, this one as well. You can use both. Okay, I'm gonna use the New York one. You can use the East Greenbush Police as one. Okay, all of these work. Sorry, my internet is kind of just bad, so I don't know. Okay, so we're over here now. Once you're over here, you guys can basically use either that door or this door, and let me just show you. Okay, so once you're over here, you want to go into the first room. Okay, this is the armory room. You guys can go into this one. This is the interrogation room, this one, and this one is like a cop's office. Okay, so yeah, you want to go into the armory room for police clothing. See, over here we got SWAT, we got EGPD, NYSP, and cadet. Okay, so if you join EGPD, okay, East Greenbush Police, you gotta get this one. Okay, EGPD one. That's quite simple. And if you want to join the New York one, then you gotta get the New York Police Department one. Okay, this one. And since the NYPD and the SWAT teams are like premium police game pass teams, okay, so I suggest you guys to get the EGPD one. This looks more professional. Okay, so yeah, that's probably it for this video. I hope you guys got to know how you guys can get it, and I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Have a good day.